So tonight I'm busy preparing for another STEM event at Hack Horsham. We're at this time at Horsham Library, October the 29th, for most of the day. Apart from our usual stuff that we're going to have there, with the old Raspberry Pi, Frankie, the full-size operation game, I'm going to actually take along the inventor's kit for the Microbit. There's the Microbit itself, just this board here. And what the inventor's kit gives you is an expansion board that you can plug the Microbit into, a base that you can plug all that onto, a breadboard, a whole load of different sensors, resistors, I believe there's a buzzer in there as well, some cables, and it also comes with this wonderful tutorial book, really simple book actually, with about 10 different experiments in it. I love the way it lays out the code, gives you examples for that, also the circuitry diagram and practical ways of wiring things up. For this particular experiment here that I'm doing, at the moment you can see a sun on the Microbit. Hooked up a light sensor, 10k resistor, power, and a data cable that goes into pin 0 into the expansion port, which then plugs into the port 0 on the Microbit. And to code this using blocks, so any primary school kid that's familiar with Scratch will recognise this. You've got a forever loop here, so it's continuously going round. You're setting a variable of light to whatever the reading is off of pin 0, and I mentioned before the light sensor is going to be attached to pin 0, and then it's continuously checking to see if what's coming in is greater than a reading of 512. If it is, we're going to do this, so we're going to light up these LEDs in the shape of a sun, and if it isn't, then we're going to light up these LEDs in the shape of a moon. So pretty simple stuff, and this experiment in this book takes you through all that, the coding and the wiring up. So without further ado, at the moment you can see the sun flashing away is the light sensor. So if I put my finger over the light sensor so it's dark, you can now see it changes to a moon, and if I take my finger off the light sensor, it automatically changes to a sun. So a really simple experiment, introducing kids to electronics, and adults like myself actually. Get some coding, get some wiring up, and if you come along to the library tomorrow, we'll be trying out some of these experiments and letting kids have a go at this. It's pretty cool stuff. Cheers.